This video will walk you through how to open, set, and hang the 5480 and 5482 Master Lock portable and cable lockboxes. To open your lockbox, locate the preset combination found on your product packaging. Open the dial cover and enter 0000. Once you have entered the combination, simply pull the lockbox door fully open to add or remove your items from the integrated bin. To lock your lockbox, close the door and turn the dials to scramble the combination. Then snap the dial cover closed. To set your own personal combination, enter the current combination. In this case, it's 0000. Next, locate the reset lever with the arrow and push the lever toward the word set. Turn the dials to your desired combination. Then push the reset lever back to its original position. Your combination is now set. Be sure to record your combination in a safe place. To hang your lockbox, enter the current combination, then squeeze the arrows together and pull the shackle out of the lockbox. Choose a secure location and place the shackle around a fixture, such as a doorknob, gate, or fence. Next, insert the shackle until it clicks into place. Close the door, scramble the dials to lock it, and snap the dial cover closed. Upgrade how you share access with the Master Lock 5480 and 5482 portable and cable lockboxes for everything worth protecting.